guys, and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Kim. I currently live in Japan, where I do lifestyle and traveling videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and turn on your post notification bell. That way you'll never miss another video. And without further ado, let's jump into today's video. So now we're about to go on the Yokohama air cabin, and you can see them behind me right here. It costs $1,000 for a one-way ticket, which is roughly around $9 and some change US dollars, and it takes us from Sakuragicho station to World Porter, which is about 5 minutes. So now we're just going to walk around and see what the area has to offer. And today, look who is here. Let's see, you're rolling with Pat.
ROLLWIDPAT. Roll with Pat.
Cool. And of course, Courtney Janelle. You guys know we're in Japan, and the 2020 Olympics is here, and as you can see behind me, there are the Olympic rings, and I believe that today is going to be the last day, and then the Paralympic rings will be erected instead. There's a big crowd out here. Everyone is trying to get photos, as you can see behind me, just trying to get pictures and enjoy it while it's here. Yeah, it's a beautiful view and it's just great. So right now we're out in Yokohama, as I said before, and there's a port here, so this is why you can see the cruise ships behind me. Well, you're seeing one at the moment, and it's just beautiful out here. You guys already know I love the ocean, so just coming here, the scenery, and it's one of the second largest cities in Japan, and it's just beautiful. It doesn't fall short to finding something that could entertain you, whether you just want to sit and relax or you want to go about and eat, have good eats. Yokohama is the place to go. So if you're ever in Japan, make sure you visit Yokohama and put that on your to-do list. And I might be biased because I live here, but guys, look at it yourself and you can't tell me that it's not beautiful. As I was walking, guys, I saw this behind me and I'm like, what's going on? Something is tingling my nose and it smells so good, and I'm figuring that we ended up at some kind of summer barbecue. So let's go ahead and try to get in and see what exactly they have to offer. So unfortunately, I found out at the barbecue you have to pay. It's actually a restaurant where you go in and you pay, kind of like yakiniku, and you guys have seen that video. I'll go ahead and put a little clip right here. But it's like you get a grill, and a real grill, like you're grilling, like American Grill, and you'll have to grill your food. So it's kind of cool, but I'm not going to pay for that. I thought I could just go in, but no, the restaurant is called, or the shop is called Barbecue Garden. Alright guys, so we decided instead to get some shaved ice, and this is what it looks like. We got the mango shaved ice. It was for $6. Alright guys, so I found a Taiwanese festival behind me. However, they're charging us money to go in, and then once you get in there you have to purchase your food, and it's just too much. But yeah, I'll go ahead and link my Taiwanese video right here. You can go click right here and check it out. It's like $12 to get in, and you'll get a pineapple cake and you get a bag, so it's not worth it. And unfortunately we won't be going in today, but you can look at these little balloons and we'll go at the side and you guys can get a little sneak peek.
this magical star is you and his eyes.
So behind me, you'll see the Cosmo World clock. This is the largest Ferris wheel with a working clock. Color and the design changes. It's a beautiful Ferris wheel. It seats 480 people and it's a must-see if you're in Yokohama.
So let's spend our time, baby. If I love you and you love me, let's plant a seed, watch it grow.
Alright guys, so once again we're in a state of emergency. If you have been following the news, you know that the Tokyo 2020 Olympics and the fourth strand of this coronavirus is going around. I just took off my mask, no worries, to talk to y'all. But yeah, so as usual, 8 o'clock, everything is cut off. So once again, I find myself without food. So I am now about to head to the konbini to pick up some dinner and get something to eat. The pork cutlet with the broth, that's what this is, and rice. It looks pretty good. I'm hungry, so it's going to be good. It has to, because I have no other choice. Alright, so always forget to close out the video, so don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and turn on your post notification bell. That way you'll never miss another video. And I hope you enjoy hanging out with me today for a normal day in my life in Yokohama, Japan. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.